Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix charging on hold due to iPhone temperature is high issue in iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, if you are facing this type of issue that your charging is on hold due to iPhone temperature is too high on your new iPhone 15 devices, there can be several reasons. But guys, don't worry. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix these issues. So guys, first of all you have to do is check the environment. Ensure that your iPhone 15 isn't in an extremely hot or cold environment. Charging may be temporarily halted to prevent damage. Bring it to a more moderate temperature. After this, then you have to do is remove from case. If your iPhone 15 is in a case, especially a thick one, it might be retaining heat. Take it out of the case and let it cool down. After this, then you have to do is also avoid direct sunlight. Charging in direct sunlight can cause your device to overheat. Find a cooler, shaded spot. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is disconnect from power. Unplug your iPhone 15 and let it cool down for a few seconds before trying to charge it again. So guys, after these simple solution and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iOS is up to date. Sometimes software update include improvement to battery management. So you have to open your settings, tap on your general, tap on software update, and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after updating to the latest version of iOS and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is use an Apple certified accessories. Non-certified charging cables or adapters might not regulate temperature as effectively. Stick to Apple approved accessories. And if this doesn't work and if it's persists, if the problem continues, you might want to contact Apple support. There could be an underlying issue with the battery or other hardware. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.